Easily create a project with kits using our simple scene builder. Build layouts and interact with furniture pieces to present solutions to your clients. Use the action buttons to add and interact with furniture items and typicals, or use the camera buttons to change your view of the scene. Navigating kits is effortless with a combination of gestures and buttons, no formal training required. Offer your client a vast selection of fabrics and finishes from our catalog of manufacturers with endless combinations available. Simply double tap on the desired item to customize. To simplify the search process, filter finishes by grade or color to view swatches that meet your criteria. Pitch to your clients with eye-catching presentations featuring high-quality renderings of individual items, layouts, or full projects with environment backgrounds. Click on the HD render button and choose the best quality and speed for your needs. Export as a line drawing to show your clients items without finishes, or select Include Environment to help your clients visualize the items in their space using a photo or sample environment to bring their vision to life. Search for products from our vast library of manufacturer catalogs available today. To sync catalogs, click on the Sync button in the Project Gallery screen and click on a manufacturer under the Publisher list. Then access the catalogs on the right side of your screen. Search for pre-configured typicals or find individual products by type, price, or name. To export your project, tap the Share button and select the appropriate option. If you'd like to use the project in AutoCAD, enter your email address to receive a DXF, DWG, and a CIF file. Alternatively, generate a PDF quick sheet with details such as finishes, product information, and pricing. With a free extension for CET Designer, you can easily transfer projects directly from CET to Kits, Windows Edition. The sales team can customize products for their clients and make minor edits. To do this, simply load your project in CET, select the Create Link option under the Kits extension, enter your email address that's associated with a Kits account, and complete your export. Uncover innovative methods for showcasing your solutions with the Kits XR Pro Edition. It allows you to convert your 2D renderings into a captivating virtual reality experience. To access and manage your VR panoramas, go to Kits XR and choose View Panoramas. To utilize a VR headset, simply click the goggles icon, provide a phone number, and receive a text message with a unique link to view the project. Allow your clients to visualize solutions by using our Kits XR Pro AR. To view an AR, select the items and under Kits XR, select Send AR Project Link. You have the choice of sending this project via email or text message. If sent as an email, the recipient will be able to open the AR experience in their web browser. If sent as a text message, the recipient will receive a text and a link to view the AR experience using their smartphone.